I am Chef Munir El Hilali, co-owner of Crepes Parfait, and today we're cooking pan-roasted herb chicken. We need 1 tablespoon butter, 2 pieces of chicken rinsed, in equal portions 1 teaspoon each, dried sage, dried thyme, dried oregano, dried rosemary, and about 3 bay leaves. Put all the spices in a spice grinder and grind. In a food grade plastic bag, add the chicken, add the ground spices, close the bag and mix very well. Let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn the oven on to 400 degrees. Season the chicken with salt and pepper on both sides. Press in to make the salt and pepper stick to the chicken. In a cast iron pan, add about 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Add the chicken, skin side down. When it's browned on one side, flip it over, put the butter on top, and put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out of the oven, tilt the pan to the side, and baste the chicken about 15 to 20 times. And it's ready. We're serving it with goat cheese bechamel and ratatouille. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe because there's more coming.